Hey there. Today I wanted to quickly talk about something I keep hearing from other QA professionals quite a bit. You know that feeling when everyone's talking about DevOps and automation, and there's this nagging worry in the back of your mind. Are we eventually going to be replaced by automation? Well, I got some good news that might surprise you. Your QA expertise isn't just irrelevant in DevOps. It is actually becoming more valuable, and I want to explain why. Think about what you do every day, right? Sure, you test features, but what you're really doing is understanding how real users will interact with the system, predicting what might go wrong, and most importantly, knowing which issues could seriously impact the business. So I want to share a quick story from one of my last projects, right? We were working on a new feature for an e-commerce platform, and the automated tests were green, the code looked great, and the developers were ready to ship. But during one exploratory testing session, our QA team noticed something interesting. If users followed a specific path through the checkout, one that made total business sense, they'd hit an edge case that could cost the company thousands in incorrect pricing. And that is not something any automated test could have caught, because this required understanding of both user behavior and business impact. And this is where your expertise can totally shine in DevOps. Here's something I learned. To really excel in modern testing, though, we need to become really good friends with automated testing. Not just running automated tests, but truly understanding what they can and can't do. It's about knowing their blind spots, their strengths, and how to use them strategically. Because when you really understand automation's capabilities and limitations, then you can make much better decisions about where to focus your human expertise. Here's the thing, right? As we automate more of the repetitive testing, your brain is freed up to focus on these bigger, more strategic questions. And instead of spending hours running regression tests, you can then start asking interesting questions like, how might this change impact our most valuable customer journeys? Or what's the worst that could happen to the business if this goes wrong? Or maybe which scenarios are we not thinking about? And what are our gaps in the automated test coverage that need human attention? So that's the kind of strategic thinking that no automation can ever replace. In fact, the faster we move with DevOps, the more important this combination of business-focused risk analysis and automation expertise becomes. So next time someone suggests that QA may become less important in DevOps, remember this. Tools can test functionality, but only you can truly assess business risk and guide the automated testing strategy. And in a world that's more and more focused on delivering business returns fast, those skills are more valuable than ever. Right, that was all for today. Catch you in the next video. Bye.